beautiful. We go slightly high. That's it. All the. That's wicked. You look at this position. That's it. Boom. Fantastic. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Okay, start there for me. That's it, test it. Great foot. That's great, the wobble's gone there, that's good. Yeah, well done. You're amazing. That's it. And that's it. That's nice. Bit faster again. That's it. Turn, 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 twist, twist, twist. Nice. That's it. Well done, well spotted, that was good. That's it. That's it, turn the hips, 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 hips. Turn, 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 point your knee. That's it, knee, 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 that's it, it's good, fantastic, well done. Turn those hips. Turn, 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 nice. That's it. Point that knee. Perfect. Lovely. That's it, lean it in. Use those hips. Nice big left elbow. There we go. That's better. That's much better. Turn those hips. More hip. Hip. Sweat. Loads of hips. More hips. More hips. More hips. More hips. More hips. So point the knee. Knee, knee, knee. That's much better. Working round. Lean the bike, lean it, lean it, lean it, it's good. That's it, stay brave. That's it. Point those knees, keep looking. More hips, knee bend into straight leg. Slight knee bend. There we go. The bike, slight knee bend. That's it, drive it in. Nice, that was better. Skin it in. All the hips. Hips, 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 hips. That's it, yep, more hips, more hips, more hips, more hips. Yeah, it's okay. Point that knee a bit. There we go. That's it. Nice. More hips, more hips, more hips. And then pop that elbow. That's it. Nice. Loads of grip. That's wicked. Well done. That's it. That's better. Now we come in. That's it. Yeah, now we're getting that movement. Loads better. Yeah. Up. Hips up. Yeah. Big. That's it. Nice drive. Nice. Much better. Much better. Get the heels down. Heels down. There we go. Get the heels down. That's it. Chin up. That's it. Stand. Nice. And then nice. That's good. First good. Yeah. Nice and tall. And soak it. So. Soak. Nice. Much better. That was beautiful. Wait. What do you put your brakes on for, you sausage? You sausage. Go. Up, that's it, relax. Nice corner, that's good, try. That's it, nice, that's it, don't break. Good.
Better, it's good. Nice foot, nice. That was good, well done. Fantastic. That's it, recenter. Nice, much better. Fantastic. That corner in as well. Front headload. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Big elbows. Weight in the feet. Oh, and just relax. Yeah, fantastic. Relax. Yeah. Sit, look around, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Yeah! So keep looking, off the brakes, off the brakes. Nice elbow, that was good. Smooth braking, so don't need that. Off the brakes. Look around. Nice, not bad. A bit more, that's it, just keep looking, keep looking. Off the brake. That's it, let it roll. Perfect, yep, 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 yeah, that's wicked. Good posture, that's it, go vision, that's it, keep looking, off the brakes. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking.